Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to trim your canvas on the IbisPaint X application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. So that's my canvas, and you can find the toolbar at the left side of the screen. You go to the last button, the canvas, and the lower left corner of the screen, and here you can find the second option, the trim. Click that, and you just click to the circle and you can edit the size of the canvas, so you can just trim it. And if you don't, click to the OK button at the lower right corner of the screen, and done. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.